Fluent English Practice. Welcome back to Fluent English Practice. Today's video is perfect for beginner learners.
Yes, we'll show you real-life taxi conversations you can use in everyday situations.
Want to know how to ask a driver to go fast? Or how to pay and ask for change?
Stay till the end, because we'll also explain all the important words and phrases.
Let's begin. Hello. Is your taxi free?
Yes, I'm free. Do you need a ride?
Yes. I need to go to the airport.
Sure. Please get in.
Thanks. I have a big suitcase. Can I put it in the back?
Of course. I'll help you. There you go.
Thank you. It's very heavy.
No problem. Please sit and wear your seatbelt.
Okay. How much will the ride cost?
Around $20.
That's fine. Please drive fast. My flight is in 1 hour.
Don't worry. We'll reach quickly and safely.
Great. Do you go to the airport often?
Yes, I go there many times every day.
That's good. I'm always nervous before flights.
Understandable. Just relax. We still have time.
Thank you. I hope there's no traffic.
The road looks clear today. We'll be there soon.
That's good.
We're almost at the airport now.
I see the airport. Thank you for the smooth ride.
You are welcome. We arrived on time.
Here is $20.
Thank you. Do you need change?
No, it's okay. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. I hope you have a good flight.
Thanks again. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Safe travels.
Conversation number 2. Going to a hotel. Hi. Can you take me to Grand Hotel?
Sure. Please get in.
Thanks. Is it far from here?
Not too far. About 10 minutes.
Good. How much will it be?
Just $7.
That's fine.
Do you need help with your bag?
Yes. Please. Thank you.
You are welcome.
We are here.
Yes. Grand Hotel.
Here is $10. Please keep the change.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Conversation number 3. Quick stop at a shop. Hi. Can I go to the train station, please?
Yes, of course. Please get in.
Thank you. Before we go, can we stop at a shop?
Sure. Do you need anything special?
Just some snacks and a bottle of water.
No problem. There's a small shop on the way. I'll stop there.
Great. Thanks. It's very hot today.
Yes, the weather is really hot. Would you like me to turn on the AC?
Yes. Please. That would be nice.
All right. The AC is on now. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Do you drive this route often?
Yes, I go to the train station many times a day. It's a common destination.
That's good. I'm new to the city, so I don't know many places.
The city is big, but you'll get used to it. Where are you from?
I'm from Karachi. I moved here last week.
Nice. I have many passengers from Karachi. How do you like this city so far?
It's busy, but interesting. I like the food here.
Yes, the food is very tasty. You should also try the night market near Central Mall.
Oh, really? I'll check it out. Is it open every day?
Yes, it's open every evening from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Thank you for the tip. How much longer until the station?
We'll be there in about 10 minutes. After the shop stop, maybe 15.
That's fine. I still have time before my train.
Good. What time is your train?
It's at 3:30 p.m.
Perfect. You'll reach with time to relax.
Great. Do you accept cash only?
Yes, only cash. No card or online payment.
Okay, that's fine. How much is the full fare?
It will be $9 in total.
Here is $10. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your trip.
Thanks. You were very kind and helpful.
You are welcome. Have a safe journey.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Conversation number 4. Going to a friend's house. Hello. Can you take me to Maple Street?
Sure. Is it house number 20?
Yes. My friend lives there.
All right. Please get in.
Thank you.
Do you know the area well?
Not really. That's why I asked.
No problem. I drive there often.
That's great to hear.
Is this your first time visiting?
Yes. My friend moved there last week.
I see. It's a nice neighborhood.
Good. I hope I can find the house easily.
Don't worry. I know the street.
Is there traffic now?
A little, but we'll be fine.
All right. Thanks for the ride.
We are here. This is Maple Street.
Perfect. How much is it?
$6, please.
Here's $10. Please give $4 back.
Here you go. Have fun.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
I hope you enjoy this video.
Let's review more useful words from today's taxi conversations.
Let's begin. Get in to enter a car or vehicle. Traffic, cars on the road that slow things down. Change, money returned when you pay extra. Route, the road or path you take. AC, short for air conditioning, used to cool the car. Fare, the price you pay for a taxi ride. Keep the change, a phrase when you don't want the small money back. Relax, to be calm and not worry.
And some more helpful words. Stop, to pause the car or vehicle. Destination, the place you want to go. Trip, a short journey from one place to another. Passenger, a person who rides in a car but isn't driving. Driver, the person who drives the car. Appointment, a set time to meet someone, like a doctor. Snacks, small food items like chips or cookies. Seatbelt, a safety strap in the car you wear for protection. Which conversation did you like the most? Tell us in the comments.
And which word was new for you? Try using it in your own sentence.
Keep practicing these dialogues. It's the best way to learn real English.
Yes, practice speaking every day, and you'll get better and more confident.
See you next time, and happy learning from Fluent English Practice.